Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to block someone on Tinder. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Tinder application. So open up Tinder once you're logged in, so make sure you're logged in. Alright, so once you have opened up your Tinder, so what you're going to do now here is click on your profile tab here on your bottom right. So click on your profile tab, and then and once you're on your profile, on your top right you'll see the settings option. So click on settings option. So once you get to your settings, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and then see the blocked option here. So under here, all right, you'll see the blocked contacts here. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on the blocked contacts, and then there's two tabs here. So if you move to the blocked tab here you will see the contacts that you have already blocked. So you'll see that here. And if you move on to the contacts tab here, what you can do, you can simply search for the person or the people that you want to or the number that you want to block. So search for the name, and then once you search the name and then hit on block, and that's it, that person will be blocked on Tinder. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you block someone. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.